Brand new Subaru EJ25 cylinder head fresh out the box. Factory fresh. This is the baseline before any airflow work begins. We're about to prep it for porting. We're starting with the cam caps. Breaking everything down so we can access the ports correctly. Before any cutting, we protect all machine surfaces. No scuffs, no damage, everything stays clean. Next, we lay down Dykem fluid. This gives us a clear surface to map out the port design, control over everything. We're building the shape before removing any material. This is where airflow is planned, not guessed.